Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how to clear your location history on Snapchat in just a few simple steps. If you've used Snap Map, you know it tracks the places you visited and even shows how many countries you've traveled to. But if you want to clear that data for privacy reasons, don't worry. I've got you covered. First, open your Snapchat app and tap on your profile picture in the top left corner to access your profile. Once you're there, tap on the gear icon in the top right corner to enter settings. Now, scroll all the way down to the bottom until you find the map section under account actions. Tap on it, and you'll see an option labeled Clear Location History. When you tap on this option, a message will pop up, letting you know that this will remove all your travel updates and visited places while your location was on. Simply tap Clear to confirm, and that's it. Your location history is now erased. And there you have it. A quick and easy way to clear your Snapchat location history. If this tutorial was helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Have any questions? Drop them in the comments below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.